Nano, the tourism minister, mentioned National Theatre, right?
National Theatre.
We didn't come on copy myself.
Cathedral.
Come on copy myself. National Theatre or can once, but according to the minister, the tourism minister, also about Hano, or share the amphitheatre and cultural center no na omo hwese omo be wie no na bi omo movie to ebere ho omo movie to the National Theatre. But you don't know about this amphitheatre cultural center there no ne because creative vanity omo and you know so here can be event ni ma hodo a ni nyina akodi nkran ya na haye
and as if creatives one day one need to say me buy as regional minister me new room
oh yeah I know sure. I mean yeah,
all sectors in there we are covered. Why does so creative art school get fun adopt here?
Okay,
mama amphitheatre war cultural center hono so no nanka omo yeso be 2022
yeah
Akoma FM 87.9
present person of 2027 budget no
okay
okay this year near budget provision for National Theatre now specific for land acquisition and design of same. It's been executed by the Black Star Experience Works Oma a team.
Yeah.
And to my by Otu Fama as around parks and gardens. So
oh okay.
How my design be
okay.
On that side no it is fulfilled for this year.
To the next phase near budget for the project Nankasa.
Budget for the project Nankasa. And you know so no per conversations no. They say start about hotels all the other ancillary facilities. And you say next year budget no. Whichever provision will be made under it. Kakre be able to start it and you have starting and complete. Is that say the day and coming in at the assassin get down. And it's a hotel at time be able to Ubenes car or start to be able to start it. Main auditorium on a car, then you know you are investing that in the main auditorium. So you'll be able to complete it because you see there are times we start here. Government for banners and the priorities are different. Now I'm going to say President Mahama. Why is any legacy projects and basically under the creative, these are three major activities and events within the region.
Okay.
Ecosystem.
Okay.